Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Meta Plus token. Ticker symbol is MTS. Now it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Meta Plus token is based on the connection between cryptocurrencies, real estate investments, and various real-world applications, aiming to become a global payment method. Its assets are specifically backed by real estate holdings owned by the company. So this token, it was just announced on Lbank's Twitter, at Lbank_exchange. It says, upcoming listing, the MTS, which is the ticker symbol, the MTS Meta Plus token will be listed soon on Lbank. So I would follow their Twitter here, at Lbank_exchange, and they'll tell you exactly when this token gets listed on there. So when it does get listed, all you'd have to do is download Lbank from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search MTS, and then simply just buy the token. Now, this token is on the Polygon blockchain, and according to their Polygon scan, they only have 4 holders on here, so it's safe to assume that this token is not listed anywhere yet. This is a very brand new token, and Lbank is going to be its initial, or one of its initial listings. 18 decimal places on this token, and there is a total supply of 250 million MTS tokens. They do have a Telegram you could follow at MetaPlusTokenEN_official that has 2,515 subscribers on it. So check out their Telegram. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here as usual, so you guys can easily find that at MetaPlusToken on Twitter. 1,425 Twitter followers, blue verified checkmark, almost 100 tweets, and they have their webpage on there right there that you could find, metaplustoken.com. They do have a full white paper available on their webpage. They have a roadmap, contact information. Looks like it says MTS sale is now live stage 5. So you might be able to buy a pre-sale ICO token, initial coin offering off of their webpage. They do have a how to buy video. So if that's still available to get this token stage 5, that's a way to get it before it even gets listed on Lbank. So go check that out on their webpage, metaplustoken.com. See if you can get involved in the ICO. Now, they have a sign up button, Meta Shop, info, all sorts of stuff on here. So it's time to adjust your losses from the cryptocurrency market and ensure the stability of your portfolio to the maximum extent. Meta Plus token is not just a random digital currency like many currencies in the market, but rather it's a result of thoughtful and organized work and the fruit of many years of experience in the field, behind which is an experienced team that has enough experience and determination to reach the limits of the sky. And with you and even more, the Meta Plus token is the official token of the Meta Plus Global Electronic Trading Group, and it will be one of the most important means of payment in this group and the electronic portal that currently connects more than 4 large retail stores around the world, such as Amazon, Alibaba, AliExpress, and eBay. MTS will also be a means of payment in the international, regional, and local commercial transactions, and will be used by many companies and financial institutions. The MetaPlus token project will not stop at this point, but rather it will be a global payment method used all over the world through the MetaPay card and will be issued, which enables all MetaPlus coin holders to extract MetaPay bank cards and enable them to use them in daily purchases such as a cup of hot coffee in the morning, or a lunch at a shopping mall, or book tickets for a travel trip, and a lot of daily life requirements. And MetaPlus token holders will be unique to this card only. So there is a total supply, like I mentioned, of 250 million tokens. And why would you get this token? Is it safe? Well, first of all, safe and sound investments must be based on indispensable basic references in all fields, including number one, security and guarantee of not losing money. In this paragraph, there are two main aspects to talk about. Number one is, in terms of safety guaranteed mechanism, we have so far developed and applied all the necessary measures to ensure the safety and security of financial assets, the most important of which is the complete closure of liquidity and a waiver of ownership, as the team cannot in any way dispose of anything from the currency, and we are open to applying more procedures that guarantee the required safety. Number two, the investment side. It's important for all investors and owners of capital to have a well thought out mechanism to run this liquidity and ensure guaranteed future profits that are positively variable with time. Therefore, a stock plan was developed against the currency, which is a direct ratio through which investors in MetaPlus tokens get the right to own their shares in the company and directly proportional to the amount of currency that they have. And owning these shares mean that you will get in partnerships with the rest of the investors. 30% of the MetaPlus profits on an annual basis, so that there is a complete guarantee on obtaining annual profits at variable rates. When you buy the MetaPlus token, you're not just buying a digital currency, but rather you're investing in the near future. We all know that the world is changing and heading towards technological growth in all economic, social, cultural, and even political fields and sectors. We also know very well that the role of digital currencies in the future, so we want to be the two races that take over the field of retail and electronic commerce in the digital currency market. These profits and percentages will change positively and for the better due to the several factors, and most important of which are priority in this field, long experience, and well thought out plans that have been developed and are in progress, future strategic partnerships with international companies specialized in e-marketing and attracting content makers to be successful partners in the world of blockchain. So they also offer transparency. So this says they're going to be very transparent about what they do. It says they're going to be 5 different languages around the world here. There's going to be token support here. Now, there's also development and feasibility studies that you could review on their white paper. Tons of white paper information. They even have a roadmap with, lots of, it's not just, this. It's big paragraphs on the roadmap of each phase. So tons of information. Now, how the MetaPlus coin is split up here. 35% go to central exchange listings, 25% ICO, 15% goes to real estate investments, 12% marketing, 5% referrals and airdrops, and 8% team section. So there's different phases of their ICO, goes up to 7 stages. On their webpage, it said they were only in stage 5. So maybe you can go get involved in stage 5 before it gets listed on Lbank. It also says it will be listed on Gate in the future, which is another central exchange listing. They have some partners on here, Bybit and Huobi Global, KuCoin, and Bitmart. So maybe on those exchanges as well. And it says they'll also be listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. So go check this out. They have their founders' names on here as well. They don't have pictures or anything like that. But MetaPlusToken.com, they have another website, the shop, meta-plus.shop. You can go check that out as well. And go check out Lbank's Twitter, and you can see their new listing announcement. And I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.